Welcome to the YouTube channel Physics Theories and Numericals, where we are providing you high quality videos for easy and joyful understanding of physics theories and concepts for life. Once you understand the theories, handling of numericals and MCQs will be easy. Also welcome to the best MCQ series videos for CBSE Class 10. We have designed this best MCQ series videos with lot of care. Here we will be providing you high quality MCQs. We will be starting from very fundamental level and we will be moving on to more difficult level of MCQs. With each and every MCQs we will be providing you explanation so that you can refresh your concept and strengthen them. This is just not a video. This is a mock test. With each and every MCQ we are providing you timer. We are giving you reasonable time so that you can get to your option before we take you to the answer. Here in this video we will be providing you a 10 number of MCQs, high quality MCQs, and it will be around 20-minute video. So if you calculate, you will find very high learning volume to the time spent ratio. So we will suggest you to go through the entire video and enjoy the high quality MCQs and take the learning from it. We have already uploaded videos for your other chapters of class 10 that you will be facing in this terminal 1 examination. This is the last video. This is for colorful world. First MCQ. The angle of deviation for refraction of light through a prism is 4 options. The angle between the incident ray and refracted ray, the angle between two incident rays, angle between the incident ray and the emergent ray, and the angle between the two refracted rays. You have got 10 seconds time to get to your option. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's say the answer. The answer is option C. Angle of deviation is the angle between incident ray and emergent ray. Look at the picture. The angle D, the angle of deviation, is the angle between incident ray PQ and emergent ray RS. Next MCQ. Which ray deviates the most in a prism? 4 colors given: green, red, violet, yellow. Which one deviates the most in a prism? 5 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is violet ray. You know that the refractive index of violet is more than other colors. In fact, it's minimum for red. So red color deviates the least and violet color deviates the most in a prism. Next MCQ. A pair of equilateral prisms have been kept as shown in the diagram. Also has been shown the incident ray. Now you need to identify on which line, A, B, C, D, 4 lines have been shown, on which line the emergent ray will fall. 10 seconds time for you to think. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D. That means the emergent ray will be close to the line D as shown. Let's see how the ray travels. The ray would travel like this. In the first refraction, the white ray will get split into different colors, and at the end it will again merge into one ray. So it will match with the line D. So answer is option D. Next MCQ. A ray diagram has been shown for a prism which has been kept between two different mediums. So the refractive index of the prism is N2 and it has kept between two mediums. One is N1, another is N3. Now you need to look at the ray diagram and you need to find out which one is true among the options. Which refractive index is more, who is equal with whom. You need to find out the relation among the refractive index. Again, the prism refractive index is N2, that has been kept between two medium. Left side is N1, right side is N2. The ray is traveling as shown. You need to find out the relationship between N1, N2 and N3, the refractive indexes between them. 15 seconds time for you to think. Your time starts now. If you require more time, do take your time, pause the video, get to your option, then come back to the video. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option C. Let's understand how it is so. Say, look at the first refraction between N1 and N2. There is no deviation in the ray. There is no deviation in the ray. That means these two refractive indexes are same. So N1 is equal to N2. And in the second refraction, you see the ray has bent upward. That means refractive index of N3 is more than N2, because in N3 the ray has moved towards normal. That means N3 is bigger than N2. So N1 is equal to N2 and N2 is less than N3. So your answer here is option C. Hope you are liking this video. Your response is very important to us. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video, and also press the bell icon. Let's continue. Again, ray diagram. Ray diagrams for a prism. That prism refractive index is n equal to 1.2. That same prism have been kept in three different mediums. One is with N1, another is N2, another is N3. Three different mediums. The prism have been kept. Now ray diagrams have been given how the ray is traveling. Now from this you need to find out the possible values of N1, N2 and N3. Value of N2 is given. You need to find out the possible values of N1 and N3. Looking at the ray diagram. 15 seconds time for you to think. Your time starts now. Again, if you require more time, do take your time. Pause the video, get your answer and come back. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option D. Let's understand also. See, in the leftmost case, where the ray is traveling the way we see a ray travel when ray is passing through a glass prism. So that means N1 is less than N, the way what happens for air and glass. So N1 is less than N. So value of N1 will be less than 1.2. So your option will be either B or D, where N1 has been shown as 1.1. Now among B and D, let's see the rightmost picture, where the ray is traveling in the opposite way. That means N3 is greater than N. So value of N3 will be more than N. So it can be 1.3. So your option here will be option D, where the possible value of N1 is 1.1, glass prism is 1.2, that is given, and N3 will be 1.3. N3 will be a denser medium because ray is bending in a reverse way. Next MCQ. A glass prism is kept in air. An object is shown as O. Object is marked as O. This is the object. And it is being looked from the right side. The position of the eye has been shown. You need to find out where will be the position of the image. Four options given, A, B, C, D. Four positions have been shown. In which position the image will be there? 10 seconds time for you to think. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option B. But how it is so? Let's understand it from the ray diagram. See, the way ray will travel through the prism, your final image will be by backward extension of the emergent ray. So the position will be B. So option is B. Next MCQ. A white beam of light gets split into 7 colors while traveling through a prism. This splitting of colors, that happens in which place? In the first refracting surface? In the second refracting surface? Inside the prism? Or on the screen? 10 seconds time for you to think. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option A. That means the splitting of the light happens in the very first refracting surface, as has been shown by arrow in the diagram. After that, it gets spread in subsequent refraction, it gets spread. But actual splitting of the light happens in the very first refraction. Next MCQ. When you find a rainbow in the sky, the position of the sun is at the top, in front of you, in your backside, or it can be anywhere. 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is it will be in the back side. It has been explained through the diagram also. Basically, sunlight comes from the back side, gets reflected on that water particle and comes back to you. That gives the formation of rainbow. So the sun will be on the back side. So it is option C. Next MCQ. A colorful rainbow is formed by sunlight interacting with the tiny droplets of water in the atmosphere. What is that exact kind of interaction that happens? What happens actually? What happens exactly? Only reflection? Only refraction? Or sequence of events like reflection, refraction, then reflection, or refraction, reflection, then refraction? What are the sequence of events? Which events actually take place when a rainbow is formed? 10 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is sequence of events, that is option D. That is sequence of events is refraction, reflection, refraction. It has been shown in the diagram. See, when the light is entering that water droplet, first it happens is refraction. In fact, the color gets split here only in the first refraction. After that, it is internal reflection, then again refraction. These are the events that take place in sequence. So here it is option D. Next MCQ, the last MCQ of this video. You need to match the two columns. The first column left hand side is a list of events that happens that we see, and in the right column it is the reason for that. What are the events told? Danger signal is red, color of sky is blue, twinkling of star, and astronauts find the sky as black. These are the 4 events that has been listed, and in the right hand side the reasons for that has been given. You need to match the two columns. 15 seconds time for you. Your time starts now. Again, you have got freedom to take more time. You can pause the video, take your time, get your option, then come back. Time's up. Let's see the answer. The answer is option C. Let's understand it through color matching of the statements. See, the danger signal is red. It is marked in red. The reason is this color of light scatters the least in fog or smoke. Color of sky is blue. The reason is very tiny atmospheric particle scatters this color, that is blue color, the most. So we find the color as blue. Twinkling of star marked in brown. So the reason is change of refractive index on the way. When light is coming, it comes through different layers of atmosphere and the refractive indexes are changing. So because of that star position does not remain same, it changes. So we find it as twinkling. And astronauts find the sky as black because there is no atmosphere. In case there is no atmosphere, the color of the sky will be black. So here it is option D. Hope you like this video. In fact, we have uploaded videos for all your chapters that you will be facing in your Terminal 1 examination. So we have provided the links in the description box. Please go through the video in case you have not already gone through. Anyway, as I was saying, your response is very important to us. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment on the video and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video. We will come up with similar such videos in days to come. Bye bye till then.